Hello there. Another problem. This is a Honda Pilot, the first generation one. It's a 2007 Honda Pilot. They told me going off the ramp, bang, there's a noise. So I don't know what's up. So now the engine sounds like this. Sounds like a lawnmower, right? I don't know what's up, but here. Engine light. We have O2 sensor. That is bank 1 sensor 1. And open circuits. Okay. Color converter. So the one next to me, the back wall. Something had to do with the catalytic converter. And misfire cylinder number 1. Cylinder number 3. Number 4. Number 5. And number 6. So it does not have number 2. Okay. 3, 1, 4, 5, 6. So misfire almost all cylinder except number 2. And you have the catalytic converter, the one on the wall side, not the radial side. That's a bank 2. So bank 1 is the one far from the hood. This side under the hood, towards the wall. So bank 1 on that one. So let's go under the car with the engines on and the lawnmower's running to see where that noise coming from. Okay. Sounds good, sounds good. So up here, yeah, can't get nothing. So let me take this cover out and let's go on the back side to see what's up under here. Look like something that popping the catalytic converter out. So that's what making noise down here. Okay. So, you see right here? This is what I find. This thing pop out. Woo! This is the ignition coil. Oop! Spark. Ignition coil. That is bad. And this is something that popping the spark plug out, and that's why the spark plug flew out and damaged the ignition coil. See that? So this is cylinder number 1, I believe. Okay, number 2 still there, number 3 still there. Let me see. I can put a spark plug in there. This can get in there because I can't really see it. Okay, so I can't see that, but I have to put a spark plug to see. That will hold spark plug in there. Sometimes you put a spark plug in there, you don't tight enough. That's why what happened right here. Okay. For the spark plug hole is 14 millimeter, 1.25 thread. Okay, so that would be the same size, and I was using this to clean the spark plug hole to make sure that good threads in there so I can smoothly drop down the spark plug and tighten it up. Otherwise it will have the same problem again. Okay, so we'll do this. I'm going to put a socket right here. I have a socket 12 point. It's 3/8. It will fit perfect inside here. No play. If you don't have a 3/8, you can use a socket number 10, 12 point. It should fit too. So on this right here, I will use my glove and insert like this. I will using extension like this and with this, so that way I have the maneuver than just using that, and it won't reach because it's far down there. Okay, and you're using your finger first, your hand first. You can't see down here, but you have to slowly fit in it. I put a spark plug in there, it fit, but I want to make sure I can clean it a little bit, because the way it pop out is normally it doesn't pop out like this. So if you don't clean it, you don't know how much thread you have in there. Okay, it looked pretty smooth, so I think it's good. It's not tight at all. So I think it slowly twisted and come out. So maybe that's why. Sometimes it blow all the teeth, that all the thread out too, so you never know. Okay, the spark plug is expensive. It's about $15. Honda, I don't know why they're so expensive on spark plug. Okay, I think that's deep enough. I'm going to turn it off. Okay, so I will crank to blow all the particle that may be inside the piston out first before I put a spark plug in. Okay, so I blow out the particle already, so I'm going to put the spark plug in there to see the hole. If that hole, then it will be good. Okay. Okay, it's pretty decent tight. I put about approximately like 15 to 18 foot-pound. So I will put a ignition coil to it. Luckily I have this used ignition coil available, because from the last engine I replaced it, and I have this in coil sit around. So I'm going to put this coils in. Let's go test to see how it sounds. Moolah is finished. It solved the problem. You know what? Something like this is concerning, because when you hear a popping noise, it sounds like you're blowing your engine out, Put the spark plug, don't over torque, but hand tight, but tight enough. Don't just finger tight. That it doesn't work. You will blow your spark plug out, and then you will blow ignition coil like this, And this, if you take this to a dealership, they're gonna break your legs and arm on that. The minimum probably like $500, I would say, easy on that. So something like this is easy solved, right? But hey, if you don't know how, It will be hard because it kind of noise like blowing your engine. You're scared to drive, you know. So hey, don't forget to subscribe. Okay. See you guys next video. Bye bye now.